Hello friends, welcome to another Devil's Angel video. So in this video we are going to try and fix this fog machine which has a choked oil pump. So basically it's not able to suck in the liquid, so it's therefore not able to create any kind of fog, and this is a very common problem with these machines. So yeah, we'll try a couple of methods to fix this, and I hope that this will help many of you to make their old machines worth use again. And before we proceed, I have to give a clear disclaimer that this is a very powerful machine, and it can give you electrical shock if you do not perform this operation properly. And also the heating element inside gets really hot. So it's a clear disclaimer that I am not responsible for any kind of injury or loss sustained by you because of trying this. I am just creating this video for the purpose of education, that it can be done, but take every caution if you ever try this. So the tools that you will be requiring for doing this operation is first of all a screwdriver to open this machine, and then you may also require a plier because the oil pump has an attachment which copper attachment which has to be opened by this. And for cleaning we may require air cleaning buds like these. And I'm also using vinegar here for cleanup, and we will be mixing vinegar with water. So that is how we expect to clear the machine. So yeah, the process will be the same for these two machines. These two machines have almost the same internals, except that this machine also has a fan, which that machine does not, but the rest of the apparatus is the same. Now if pushing air inside also does not work, then what you can try is try and open this water which is connected to the motor from here. And what you can do is put in some vinegar oil. Pure vinegar also might work, but you can also put in some water and vinegar oil. A little bit of it if you have an ignition, that will be able to put it really well. If you don't have an ignition, you can simply try and put a few drops here. And then take an earbud like this and remove its cotton and just dab it like this so that water goes inside. Alright, so what you have to do is now try and run it again, and you can see there's some dirt that came out. And do it 2 or 3 times so that it gets a good clean inside. Try the same thing once again. So this is our vinegar solution. Dip in the pipe inside the solution once again, and let's see if the water goes through or not. can see, finally this is starting to work. The water is going nice and clean. So what you can do now, just connect all these things together and fog this machine with this solution for 3 or 4 times. Fog the machine with this solution for 3 and 4 times. So that will help to clean the pump even better. So the basic thing is, if this pump is vibrating, if there is any kind of vibration in this pump, that means you have good chances of saving your machine or be able to reuse your old choked machine. So after clearing out the oil pump, what we are going to do is take the same solution, the water and vinegar solution, and preheat the machine again and do a dry run of this solution for like 1 minute, at least one cycle, so that the pump is thoroughly cleared out of any kind of residual chemical or oil or sebum and stuff like that. So let's just do that. So ideally we'll do like 2 to 3 cycle of this cleanup, because as you might have noticed at the end that there was still some fog coming out, which means that there is some residual oil inside, because this solution is not going to give any kind of fog. There is something inside else which is causing this fog. So yes, I'll do that now, and finally we'll resume with the fogging video to show that this tweak or this method actually does work. So this is the moment of truth. Let's see if the machine functions as intended. Fingers crossed. So this was a quick tutorial on how you can make your non-functioning fog machine work again. I hope this video was of some help and purpose to you. If it was, do let me know in the comments, share with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. It really does help a lot. Take care of your loved ones. I will see you around soon.